Hey everyone! Welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, bringing you fresh updates every week, so let's dive right into it. Our Discord community has reached a whopping 3,648 members. If you haven't already, jump in and join the conversation. Over on social media, we recently highlighted our Pinata Gateway Analytics. This amazing tool can transform how you understand your IPFS projects. To learn more about how Pinata Gateway Analytics can provide deeper insights into your content usage, check out our latest video. This week, we're taking a closer look at Fair.xyz. Fair.xyz offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help creators launch large NFT collections quickly and efficiently. Collectors also benefit from a more level playing field. They achieve this by providing a new launch experience that's free of gas wars, accessible, and fair for both sides of the NFT marketplace. Essentially, Fair.xyz aspires to be the Amazon marketplace of Web3, a one-stop shop for everything NFT related. To launch your own NFT collection with Fair.xyz, all you need is your creative vision and a crypto wallet. They handle everything else. From setting up your collection homepage to minting integration, smart contract deployment, and even metadata generation and decentralization. For Web3 news, let's find out how bananas are driving up meme coin prices. Well, the truth is, the price of pretty much everything is going up, making our traditional investments less valuable. Safe assets that typically return 5 to 10% a year just can't keep the pace with inflation. So where are investors turning? To higher risk assets like meme coins. This week, we saw a similar pattern play out with GameStop's stock price. The catalyst? A massive new position in the GME by Keith Gill, a popular figure on Reddit. This trade, valued at a staggering $200 million worth of options, allows him to buy GameStop stock at a significantly discounted price by June 21st. With traders looking for the next big opportunity, the question on everyone's mind is, where's the next meme coin boom? The answer? It's hard to say for sure, and it's certainly not a guaranteed path to riches. But one thing's for certain, this kind of market frenzy often leads to significant price increases in high-risk asset classes, and cryptocurrency is no exception. Last but not least, let's dive into channel-focused Farcaster clients. With a channel-focused client, channel creators have more control over the design and user experience within their specific communities. This includes customization options, moderation tools, and the overall look and feel of the channel environment. By tailoring the experience to their vision, creators can keep channel members engaged and satisfied. Another benefit? Channel-focused clients cut out the noise from a traditional Farcaster client like Warpcast. This keeps both casters and users focused on the specific channel, fostering a stronger sense of belonging and deeper connections. And that's it for this week's Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below for more exciting updates from our team. Until next time, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye guys!